How to unlock chats folder in WhatsApp application. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of WhatsApp application available. Once you check that, launch your WhatsApp application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Once you log into your account, then you will see the home page of WhatsApp application. Now, on the top of the home screen, you will see locked chats option. If you tap on it, you have to unlock with your Face ID. Now go through the chats that you want to unlock and go and tap on profile name from the top. From there, if you scroll down there, you will see option of chat log. Simply toggle off that button and then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily unlock chats on WhatsApp. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.